Hey friends! Today I'm here to introduce this desktop soldering fume extractor to you. It can help us avoid inhaling toxic soldering fumes and lead smoke when repairing ASIC miners. It's equipped with a 5-meter retractable smoke exhaust pipe, a rear cover for the pipe connection, a fixing clamp, and an activated carbon filter sponge. Now, let me start introducing the details to you. Here is the switch. Then this is the angle adjustment knob, which can be adjusted by 30 degrees for convenient adjustment of the filtering effect. This is the power cord. Next, I'll demonstrate the installation method for you. Step 1. Open the shield. Put in the activated sponge. And then fix the shield. Step 2. Plug the power cord into the power socket. Step 3. Insert the rear cover for the pipe connection from top to bottom along the slot here, and then press it hard. Step 4. Install the smoke exhaust pipe and fix it with the clamp. Alright, the installation is complete. Finally, let's take a look at its smoking effect. When we solder components on the hash boards, power boards, or other PCB boards, it can completely suck away the soldering fumes, providing us with a healthy and comfortable working environment, and reducing the damage to our bodies from toxic fumes. Okay, the above are the uses and benefits of this fume extractor. Thank you all.